There was a girl called Bonnie. She went to the place that she loves. She was alone in the boat. And then, she heard a thunder. Bonnie was super shocked, because she's gonna get drowned. The boat rocked by the rain or the dangerous waves. And there's a shark too. She just jumped to the water. She almost drowned. She cried and called for help. And she is still crying and trying her best. Finally, she survived. Bonnie was super scared. And she built a shop for pet wear so she can earn money and build house. Bonnie was so happy. Now she works at the place that got destroyed.